The 108-4283 Schrade Cage Ultra Glide pocket knife combines a stylish cage handle with a 2.76-inch 9CR18 Movi high-carbon stainless steel clip-point blade. This creates the perfect lightweight EDC companion for any slicing task. Open the 108-4283 with the finger flipper to engage the Ultra Glide ball bearing system for a silky smooth opening, or use the thumb hole for a steady, controlled opening experience. The titanium-coated blade is held open by way of the frame lock. Perfectly contoured and with added slip resistance, the titanium nitride handle with G10 inlays stays securely in hand. Keep the 108-4283 Schrade close by your side with the tip-up pocket clip.
The Swindle is a gentleman's everyday carry knife designed by Ken Onion. It won the most innovative import of the year at the Blade Show. The Swindle cheats the rules of a typical folding knife with its uphill curve in the handle. The Swindle uses the IKBS ball bearing pivot system with a side flipper that makes deploying the blade smooth and fast. The pocket clip is integrated into the spine of the handle and is tensioned to keep the knife securely in the pocket. The knife features a 3.2-inch Wharncliffe blade that is hollow ground and razor sharp. The handles are bead blast finished with an integral frame lock for safe use. There are two styles of Swindle available, one with a smooth stainless steel handle and the other with a grooved handle. CRKT Knives and Tools are fully backed by our limited lifetime warranty. The CRKT Swindle, an everyday carry knife that is unique, innovative, and functional.
This stunning expression of the iconic Paramilitary II pairs a CPM crew wear blade with classic brown canvas micarta handle scales. Its full flat ground, plain edge blade capitalizes on crew wear's hard-earned reputation for taking and holding a superior edge while remaining tough and resilient. The precision machined scales are supported by full skeletonized stainless steel liners that also form the backbone of the knife's compression lock mechanism. They reveal the micarta's handsome layered construction and provide a platform for a 4-position pocket clip and lined lanyard hole that support all possible carry positions and preferences.
Hogue Incorporated is proud to announce the X5, their latest and most distinct knife of its kind. Built with Hogue's new revolutionary deployment technology, this knife provides class-leading smoothness and an exceptionally effortless action. Although completely manual and containing no springs, the innovative internal system allows the blade to open with a motion as instinctive as your own reflexes. Simple downward pressure on the flipper tab reliably deploys the knife, and an easy one-handed close ends with a secure click ensuring the knife is shut. The blade is made from cryogenically heat-treated CPM 154 stainless, and the edge is hand-sharpened and honed for a lasting edge. Spearpoint and modified Wharncliffe blade styles are available with a stonewash or a black kiln-baked Cerakote firearms finish for improved durability. The dynamic handle of the X5 is 6061 T6 aircraft aluminum and is hard anodized with either black or blue options. An inlay of Hogue's Damascus Black G10 with a piranha grip texture has been added on select models for added traction and superior comfort. The precisely designed recesses and curvature of the knife offer a natural ergonomic grasp when in hand. A manual safety lock can be activated when the knife is open for optimal readiness and utility in any situation. The X5 includes an ambidextrous tip-up pocket clip for easy everyday carry. Every Hogue knife is made in the USA, backed by 3 generations of manufacturing experience and a limited lifetime warranty. Hogue collaborates with former Marine Recon and renowned custom knife maker Alan Oleshowitz for designs and models.
This is the Gerber Swagger AO Assisted Opening Technology 2.0. Lightweight, discreet pocket carry folder. Got a pocket clip on the back for easy carry in your pocket. G10 scales for great and confident grip in all environments. An ambidextrous thumb stud allows you to deploy the blade quickly and confidently every single time. You've got a drop point on the front for slicing and carving. You've got serrations across the bottom for cutting and tearing. Simple push of the plunge lock redeploys the knife. This is the Gerber Swagger AO.